Warren Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." If 2020 did not scare you away from the stock market, congratulations. I think this can be a path to wealth for you. I'm Ariane. I am a full-time trader. I'm a mom. I'm a military wife. I am just a regular person who makes regular money in the stock market. So I started this channel to teach other people how it is that I make money in the stock market every day. And I have other videos that share my specific strategies, but they won't help a newer trader. So I thought I'd start like maybe a little mini series for the new trader. In my world, what is called retail trading, I feel like there has been a huge paradigm shift in 2020. So where once people were afraid of the stock market, now kind of feel intrigued and want to be a part of it. I think brokerages like Fidelity and Robinhood have reported something like 10 million new accounts opened this year. And I love that. I truly feel like the stock market is one of only a few true paths to creating real wealth in your life, and has the least barriers to entry. So versus something like real estate, which is a great path to wealth, but you need cash up front, licensing, there's a lot of competition, you've got markets to research. Whereas the stock market, you can get started pretty quickly. I'll get into that a little bit later. And the stock market sort of satisfies that human need for instant gratification. So you can literally watch your money grow very quickly. Before you even take step one of entering the stock market, and maybe this should be step one, is to ask yourself, do you want to be an active trader? Or are you just looking to invest in the stock market? Because there's a big difference between the two. And I'll get into that now.
An investor doesn't typically log into their portfolio and manage their positions every day. They put money into the stock market, leave it alone, and they expect it to grow over a long period of time. So they might buy shares of a stock or a fund, they hold on to them for many months or years, and they expect a return after a long time has passed. A trader actively manages their money. It's not necessarily daily, but these are short-term positions. Traders usually identify themselves as either day traders or swing traders. A day trader doesn't hold any positions overnight, so they buy and sell stock within a few hours or sometimes even minutes. A swing trader, on the other hand, may enter a position today and sell it tomorrow or next week or next month. So traders are buying and selling with the intent to grow their money quickly.
Another way to look at this is when you put your money into a savings account, which is the safest place for it to grow, it will only grow an average of 0.7% a year. When an investor puts their money into a index fund or a mutual fund, which is like a basket of stocks into one fund, their money can grow an average of 9% a year. Now that's significant. That's 9 times faster than the last place. Now, when a trader puts their money into the stock market and actively manage it, the rate at which it can grow is unlimited, really. There are so many ways to make money in the stock market, more than I can get into in just this video, but to grow your money even by just 10% a month, I would say is pretty easily achievable.
So let's use a realistic number. Let's say you have $5,000 you want to grow. You can put it into a high-yield savings account at your bank, and after a year, you'll have a whopping $5,003. Or you can pick an index fund. There are many, but my favorite is the S&P 500. And at the end of the year, your $5,000 could be $5,450. Or if you want to be aggressive and learn to actively trade your capital, and you make an average of 10% returns a month, your $5,000 could be almost $16,000. Even if you only averaged 5% a month return for a year, your $5,000 could be almost $9,000, and that's still almost double the index fund route.
So I always think this is such a valuable skill worth learning. It's a skill that I'm teaching my children and that I will continue to teach them. I think about every single wealthy person in my life, and if you think about every wealthy person in your life, they have their money in the stock market in some way. Some days I seriously think to myself, how lucky am I that I know how to grow my money, that I can literally put $500 into the stock market and pull out $550 in 1 hour. I mean, that's like relatively easy. I mean, obviously I'm being simplistic here. I didn't, learn how to do this in a month or two. That I've been trading for many years, but the fact that I can relatively easily put money into the stock market and hours later pull a bigger amount out, to me is just amazing. Who wouldn't want to learn how to do this? The first step is just to open a brokerage account. And anybody can do that, 18 years or older. Opening a brokerage account is much like opening a bank account as far as the information that they'll ask you. And your bank might even have a brokerage arm to it. So it might just be one more application that you need to fill out in order to start trading. But a brokerage account is what allows you to buy and sell and go in there and enter orders for stocks or bonds or mutual funds, etc. Personally, I use TD Ameritrade as my broker. I like their platform and charting capabilities, but there are plenty of legitimate ones. I'll link a bunch below, like E-Trade and Tastyworks, Fidelity. I used to use them. And if you're a totally new trader and you need something very simple and user-friendly, Robinhood is free and it's great for new traders. But once you get a little bit more advanced, you'll need better charting capabilities. But anyways, I'll link them down below. So that's it. All you need to get started trading is an online brokerage account, and you can be trading right alongside Wall Street traders. They're probably all at home trading anyways. Yes, an online brokerage account. And once you've got your account opened, if your brokerage offers a practice platform, like TD has something called Paper Money, and you can actually set up and fund a demo account, and you can use real-time prices and data and do pretend trades. So it helps you get a feel for like the mechanics of entering and exiting orders, which is important. And then once you've got your account opened, a lot of them have very low minimum opening requirements. Most brokerages have like a very extensive library of tutorials of how to place your first trades, or of course you just come back to YouTube. But if any of you newer traders have questions for me or want to email me, go ahead and feel free to do so. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and the more you learn, the more you earn. Thanks guys, bye.